They say, I say. Establishing exigency. In order to write strong, compelling arguments, it is important to establish the exigency and explain what event, statement, or argument pushed you into writing about a certain issue. It is important not only to express your own ideas, but also present what others say. In other words, you cannot have an argument in vacuum. To make an impact as a writer, you need to do more than make statements that are logical, well-supported, and consistent. You must find a way of entering a conversation with others' views with something they say. Without identifying that they say, what you are saying may be clear to your audience, but why you are saying it won't be. They say. Arguments arise from conflicting ideas and situations. Thus, it is important to make clear what conflicting idea or situation gave birth to your own argument. A writer needs to indicate clearly not only what his or her thesis is, but also what larger conversation that thesis is responding to. State your own position and the one you are responding to. The point is to give your readers a quick preview of what is motivating your argument. I say. The I say moment, your thesis, should always be a response to the argument of others. It can be something an individual or a group might have said, or a side of yourself, something you once believed but no longer do, or something you partly believe but also doubt. When you read They Say, I Say, you will notice a section within the text, as well as within all the templates it provides, that the use of first-person speech is not only allowed, it is encouraged. This is true and fine for some genres of writing, and also for the initial drafts of your argumentative writing. However, for your final submissions in this class, I would like to see formal writing. I do not want your final drafts to be written in first or second person speech. The art of summarizing. To argue persuasively, you need to be in dialogue with others. Summarizing others' argument is central to your arsenal of basic moves. A summary must at once be true to what the original author says while also emphasizing those aspects of what the author says that interest you. To write a really good summary, you must be able to suspend your own beliefs for a time and put yourself in the shoes of someone else and try to see their argument from their perspective. As a writer, when you play the believing game well, readers should not be able to tell whether you agree or disagree with the ideas you are summarizing. If as a writer you do not suspend your own beliefs, you are likely to produce summaries that are so obviously biased that they undermine your credibility with readers. A good summary has a focus or spin that allows the summary to fit with your own agenda while still being true to the text you are summarizing. The art of quoting. Quotes are words that have been taken from their original contexts and need to be integrated into their new textual surroundings. Two key ways to produce this sort of integration are: choose quotations wisely with attention on how well they support a particular part of your text. Surround quotations with a frame explaining whose words they are, what the quotation means, and how the quotation relates to your own text. Frame your quotations. Present them in a way that makes their relevance and meaning clear to your reader. Insert quotes into a quotation sandwich, with the statement introducing it serving as the top slice of the bread, and the exclamation following it serving as the bottom slice. There are a number of templates in the They Say I Say section of our handbook that help with the development of different types of an argument. Please read the textbook to access those templates.